It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 Cadillac XT5. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the XT5. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, power folding mirrors, the child lock button, and the programmable memory seat. Under the armrest is the power liftgate, and you'll notice we've got a premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Cadillac badging in both seats, and a power sunroof up above. Telescopic steering wheel and the park brake to the left of the steering wheel. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, forward collision alert, lane departure alert, and that heated steering wheel button. And the right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. This is Cadillac's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. To the left of the screen, we've got park assist, the push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, a little storage cubby, and our drive modes: traction control, all-wheel drive, Tour, all-wheel drive, and Sport. The front of the XT5 has LED headlamps, fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, we've got the power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob here. Hold that button, push it twice, and it will pop that lift gate open. The trunk is quite spacious. We've got the sunshade, cargo hooks, the levers to fold the second row seating down, some lights, and a power plug-in. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, and the back of the center console has rear fans, some USB ports, and storage. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2019 Cadillac XT5 today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.